Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and look what we have here today. Finally got my hands on the new OnePlus 7 Pro. This is the official retail box that you will get when either walking into a T-Mobile store. As you can see, I got the T-Mobile logo right there up front, so this is the T-Mobile version. Or if you happen to buy it online, this is the official retail box. So we're gonna do an unboxing here and see what comes in the box. So let's get started. All right, so I got my little knife right here. Let's go ahead and turn this over, cut the back, and then cut this side as well. And then before we go ahead and open it, as you can see in the back of the box, we got some specs letting us know that it is 4G LTE capable, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, Optic AMOLED 6.67-inch 2K plus display. It's got a triple camera setup in the back with a 48, 8, and a 16 megapixel camera. It's got a 4,000 milliamp battery with fast charging capabilities, UFS 3.0, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and running Oxygen OS based on Android Pie. So let's go ahead and open the box. You can see there on the side, go beyond speed. OnePlus has always been about speed. So let's go ahead and get this box open. Here we go. There we go. Got the top off. And then inside we are greeted with this right here. It feels kind of heavy. I think this might be the case or either the user manual. Yes, it is the case along with the user manuals, and I'm sure the SIM ejector tool as well. Let's see, let's get this opened up first right here. Yeah, there you go, SIM ejector tool, user manuals, and your usual OnePlus sticker that you get with your OnePlus devices. You can throw it on anything that you want to troll your buddies that have iPhones out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side for now along with this, and then it's always cool that OnePlus provides cases with their devices, because a lot of times, some manufacturers don't release their cases until the phone is actually out. So it's cool that they include a case within the box so you can have one ready in case you don't have a case already available. So let me go ahead and set this over to this side real quick. And then inside the box right here, we got the device itself. Now look at this. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off. Never settle. Let's go ahead and take this off. There we go. And look at that. Oh my God, this looks so much better in person than it does on any video that I have seen. It's looking so good. Or look at the way it shines. Let me take this little sticker off right here. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And as you can see, we got the 3 camera setup in the back, the OnePlus logo, OnePlus branding on the bottom as well. And then we got the flash right there, right below the camera. Now the camera does pop out just a little bit, but it's nothing too dramatic. And then you can see the buttons on the side. You also got the button to control your sound, whether you want it on vibrate, silence, or if you want the ringer on power button. And then you got the volume rockers on this side as well. Up top, that looks like that's actually the pop-up camera right there. So of course we're gonna have to test that out. We got the microphone up top as well. And then you got your charging port, microphone, your SIM card slot, and another, what looks like looks like there's 2 microphones down there. I'm not really sure, but then we got the speaker as well. This does have stereo speakers, so you can kind of see the front-facing speaker right there up top, just above the bezel. So that's pretty nice. And then this one's gonna be bottom firing. So of course we're gonna have to test those out. But let's go ahead and see what else is in the box before we go ahead and power this on. So let's see down here. It looks like it's going to be, well, up here, okay, we got the charging brick. This is Warp charging, 30-watt charger. So of course we're gonna have to test out the Warp charging to see just how fast it will charge up the OnePlus 60, because they're saying in 20 minutes you can get about 50% battery life. So of course we're going to have to test that out. So let's go ahead and set that to the side. And then the last thing in the box, if I can get it out of here, is the charger. Look at, I love that they give you this red cord for the charging cable. Let me rip this open. It's always nice that they keep everything looking the same. They got the red box, they got the red packaging on the inside as well, and then the red charging cord. Just looks really nice. USB Type-C, so that's always looking good. Let me go ahead and set that to the side. Let me set this box to the side, this to the side, and let's look at the phone itself. Let me see how the case fits really quick, see what kind of protection you're gonna get with this case if you don't have a case already. It's giving you a nice little lip up top and at the bottom. Cutouts are looking good as well, although you don't have a cutout for the SIM ejection slot. So of course you're gonna have to take the case off to be able to open that if you want. You do have a cutout for the pop-up camera, so that's pretty cool. and then one for the microphone as well, and then the cameras in the back. So it does feel like it's going to give you a good amount of protection until you get an official case for this device, one that's really going to protect it. But let's go ahead and take it off, and then I will power the device on. Let's see if it's got any juice at all. Here we go. See, powering it on. Does it have any juice? And there we go. I felt the little vibrate, and here we are. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it boot up. I'm gonna set it up, put all my information in, and then we'll take a deeper dive into the device. All right, so I am back here, got the phone all set up, and I gotta say, this display is beautiful, and you know, it is said that it was provided by Samsung, so obviously it's going to be a beautiful display. But look at this. This is what you call truly bezel-less. No notch, no teardrop or anything like that. I actually got the other previous model, the OnePlus 6T right here with the teardrop notch, and look at that. Look at the difference. Look how much more beautiful this looks. And then you got the edge display as well, and look at the size comparison as well. Look how much bigger it is from coming from the OnePlus 6T. It is a little bit taller. Let me turn it to the side. It looks like about the same, maybe a little bit wider than the OnePlus 6T, but it definitely is taller, but the display is a lot more beautiful, that's for sure. I'm going to set that to the side for now, and I can't get over how beautiful the back looks. Look at this blue. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, you can see a little bit of fingerprints, but it doesn't attract as much fingerprints as like a regular glass back, like this right here. This is more of a glossy finish. You can see there's more fingerprints, but this has more of like a matte finish to it. So you can't really see as many fingerprints on it, which is actually really nice. Okay, so let's just mess around with it a little bit. I want to see how smooth scrolling is and all that. Actually, let's go into Twitter. We can just scroll back and forth here. Look at this. So this does have the new 90 hertz refresh rate. That just makes things so much smoother. Look at that. Look how smooth scrolling that is. It's so quick too. So quick and smooth. Let me go out of here. And the whole phone itself is just snappy. Super snappy. Look at that. No complaints so far. Let's go ahead and check out the fingerprint sensor. I did set it up. Let's see how fast the fingerprint sensor is. Here we go. Look at how fast that was. Let's try it one more time. Ready? Boom. No complaints at all whatsoever. So far I am impressed with this device. Once you do boot it up and all that, this is basically the screen you are going to get. It's not really going to give you much. I did only download Twitter just to test out the scrolling with this so far. Of course, I'm going to be doing tons of video on this, testing out the cameras. I'm going to do a video later on testing out the charging, that warp charging, to see how fast it actually is and see how long it takes to charge from 0 all the way to 100. So I'm going to try to kill this battery down to 0 tonight. That way I can go ahead and do that test. And you guys know I love doing camera tests as well. Of course, we're going to test out all the cameras, and then I'll be doing my full review as well. And if you all have any other ideas for videos that you would like to see with this device, you know that I like to take your ideas into consideration and make videos. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Let me know what you want to know. Thank you all so very much for now for watching. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. And if you're planning on getting this device, let me know as well. If you get it, I suggest you get in this blue color. It looks absolutely beautiful. The black looks good as well. I had a chance to look at that one. That one does not look bad either. The black color was the only one that they did have out on display. So that's why this is actually the first time that I am seeing this color in person. So I'm not disappointed. But yeah, like I said, leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. For now, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.